Epoxy floors. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Dear friends, epoxy flooring is a popular choice for industrial, commercial, and residential spaces due to its durability, aesthetics, and low maintenance. However, like any flooring option, it has pros and cons that are important to consider before deciding. In this video we explain what's most important for you. Advantages of epoxy floor. Epoxy floors are resistant to a large number, not all but most, of chemicals, such as solvents and acids. The floors are decorative. Epoxy floors are available in many different colors and designs. Creating a concrete look or sprinkling the floor with flakes is possible. Because of the fast application, there is only minimal work interruption. Epoxy floors are very easy to maintain. After all, the floors are seamless and liquid tight and, therefore, easy to clean, benefiting hygiene. Epoxy floors combine well with underfloor heating. Very sustainable. In combination with underfloor heating, you save energy, and you no longer have radiators in sight, saving space. The floor has no seams or edges, and it completely blends into the space. Robust. This makes epoxy floors suitable for heavy use and mechanical loads, such as forklift traffic in warehouses, workshops, and production areas. Disadvantages of epoxy floor. Epoxy floors are hard, and therefore, there is contact noise during walking. For that reason, flexible polyurethane floors are usually used in office spaces and homes. Without underfloor heating, an epoxy floor feels somewhat cold, similar to tiled floors. If there is unevenness or cracks in the substrate, ripples can become visible on the floor. This only happens if the epoxy floor can no longer bridge existing cracks. The floor adheres to the substrate. It is, therefore, important to apply epoxy floors only on a smooth or flat surface. If the surface is not even, you must first repair it. Without a finish, the floor is sensitive to UV radiation. If epoxy flooring is not maintained properly, then cracks and chipping may occur. Large areas may start peeling off, and then the floor will need to be repaired or replaced. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.